Just should have worn different shoes. Right here. Nice. Now maybe this one. Nice. Ooh, here. Sunset through the trees. Beautiful. Beautiful but cold. Beautiful, very, very cold. You can also go right here. I want to get that one as well. Oh my god, cold, 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 cold. Oh, wrong shoes. Don't fall over. Nice. 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 That's all I can say to these. It's fucking gorgeous, man. Blue sky, tons of snow. Only thing that would make this even better is if it was snowing. Oh my goodness. I should take my drone with me. What am I doing? Ooh, yeah. I like these smaller, less lush forest parts way more because there's way more white on the other trees. These are nice and white at the top, but the bottom of them are pretty brown and dead and whatever. But these ones, I mean, just look at this. Boom. And another one right here. Zoom in all the way. Nice. This one. Oop, didn't mean to do that. Right here. Oh, I love this so much. Didn't I? My jacket keeps opening. Hope that wasn't too quiet. Ooh. Hup. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna have a lot of pictures to edit. Go on to the eye this time. Boom. Nice. I'm sliding everywhere. Yes. All right. Here. Boom. Did I already photograph in here? Probably. But who cares? Yes. All right. Up through the snow in my small stupid shoes. I should have worn different ones, I know that now. Oh. Oh. Look at my car over there. I do gotta mention that car, because oh goodness, that thing goes through snow and off-road like nothing else. Truly, the places I've been able to reach, thanks to that car are mind-boggling. And yes, I know some built 4Runner or Toyota Tacoma is obviously going to get it further, but Jeepers Weepers, I love that car. I mean, I don't know. I just like it. That reminds me, I do have another channel which is mainly focused on that car and working on it in case something breaks. Yeah, in case something breaks or if I want to mod it in some way. I have another channel, it's called Driveway. I'll link it up there. Other than that, there might be a video coming out on that channel soon, but yeah, I'll also link a video from like last winter or 2 winters ago. I was drifting that thing through the snow. I might link a video to that at the end of this video, so if you want to watch that, I'll link that. But other than that, I think for today we're done here. I want to get that sign over there still. Never mind. Ignore what I just said. Also, this totally wasn't me before. Nope. I don't know what you're talking about. No, couldn't have been me. A brave little boy. I don't do such stupidity. Right here. Nice. Beautiful. Maybe some snow texture. My camera battery's also about to die soon, so beautiful. I need some subject. I need a subject in the snow. Boom. All right. Ooh, ice. Ice. Yes. Wasn't, like I said, had nothing to do with me. That should look pretty cool. Help. Yes. Nice. Oh, it's already freezing over again. All right, everybody. I'm gonna go back. Ooh, ooh, yes. All right, I gotta stop. It's very cold outside. It's very cold. Don't. That's shaky. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I'll most likely split this up into two parts again, just because it works better with timing. Then I can also release the shorts that I'm gonna make in a nice distance so that it isn't being thrown onto you. 2 parts, probably 15 minutes each, if this is like 30 minutes. And then I will see you in a new video in 4 weeks, I guess. 2 weeks. Wait, if this is part 2, then in 2 weeks. Yeah, if I release this in one part, it will most likely be 4 weeks. But that doesn't matter right now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.